welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to start our new topic with grammar, active passive. Okay, so what is active passive? Active passive is a type of tense, but in active passive, we have to focus on the object, not on the subject. We have to focus our main perspective and main focus in on the object, not on the subject. Okay, in tense we are focusing on the subject only, but in passive it is completely around completely completely reversed. Okay, we have to focus on this object. So let's start with active passive. So in this video we are going to learn all the rules of active passive and what is active passive. We will let's see now. Okay, so let's see. So here guys, we are on present indefinite, past indefinite and future indefinite, and I want to tell something. In this video we are going to cover all the topics of active passive, and there is one good news for all of you. Okay, in active passive, in tense you have to learn for 12 type of tense, but in active passive you don't have to learn 12 type of. You don't have present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous and future perfect continuous. Even you don't have future continuous tense. You have to just learn present past, present continuous, past continuous, uh, present perfect, past perfect, future indefinite and future perfect only. So you have to just learn only 8 type of active passive. So let's begin. And also in this video we will go like this way. We will take topics of indefinite, like present indefinite, past indefinite and future indefinite, and present continuous, past continuous, and we don't have to learn future. Then present perfect, past perfect and future perfect. Okay, so we will go in that way. So let's start. What is the format of present indefinite? In active voice we write s plus es plus v1 plus object. So object will come in the front and the subject will go in the back. Subject plus ismr. Okay students, you have to add ismr in indefinite of passive voice of present. You have to add ismr in passive voice of present. Okay, in indefinite ismr plus v3. You have to add v3 in every passive voice, plus by plus subject. So let's take an example. Football. Football is subject, is verb, played, this is helping verb, this is verb, by and then subject. Okay, this is object. So students, this is object, object, helping verb, verb and subject. Okay, so let's move forward. Let's do past indefinite active voice. Subject plus v2 plus object. What is passive? Subject plus was where plus v3 plus by plus object. Okay, not object, subject. Yes students, subject. You have to just add the subject in the last and object in the front. You have to just add the subject at the last and the object at the front. Okay, so let's take an example. Books. Books is a object, where is helping verb, read is verb, and by him, what is it? Subject. Okay, so let's quickly see future indefinite. Future indefinite. Okay, so in active voice, subject plus will shall plus v1 plus object. Okay, we all know that because I have made a video on active voice also, so you can go there and watch it. So you will know about the tense, and if you know all the tenses, you will be master in active passive as well as in tenses. Okay, what will be passive voice? Object plus will shall plus be plus v3 plus by plus subject, plus subject. So let's quickly see an example. Cricket, which is object, will be, which is helping verb, played, verb by them. This is subject. Okay, so congratulations students, we have done all the indefinite tense like present indefinite, past indefinite, future indefinite. So let's see quickly what about continuous tense and perfect tense. So you and also we are going to do present negative indefinite tense, present negative indefinite tense. So let's quickly see. So students, we are on continuous tense. Let's see present continuous, past continuous. So as I told that there is no future continuous tense, there is only future indefinite and future perfect tense. Okay, so the format of present continuous tense in active voice is, as we all know, subject plus ismr plus v1 plus ing plus object. And what is in the passive voice? Object is in the front, ismr, we will add being. Okay, so we will add being. As you know that in present indefinite we have added ismr, we have not added being. Here we will add being in passive voice, v3 plus subject plus v3 by plus subject. What is the example? Football is, this is object, this is helping verb, this is being played, that means verb by him, subject. Okay, subject, verb, object, verb and subject. Okay, so let's quickly see past continuous tense. In active voice we all know subject plus was were plus v1 ing plus object. So object will come in the front and the subject will go in the back. Object was were being v3 by and s subject. So what is the example of it? Books were read by him. So books is object, where is helping verb, this is verb and him is subject. Okay, we have done the present and past continuous in passive voice and in also in active voice. So what let's see about perfect tense. And after perfect tense, after present perfect, past perfect and future perfect, we will go to know about negative indefinite and continuous indefinite and no sorry negative indefinite, negative continuous and negative perfect. Okay, so let's see what they are. So students, we are on perfect tense. Okay, we are on perfect active passive. So present perfect, past perfect and future perfect, these all three we will see just now. Okay, let's see, follow me and focus on the board. Okay, let's go. Present perfect active tense, subject plus has have plus v3 plus object. Okay, this we all know. But in passive, object will come over here, object plus has have plus being. Remember students, in continuous we have added being, in continuous we have added being, but in perfect we will add being, we will add being. In continuous we have added being. Okay, and in perfect we will add being. So being plus v3 plus by plus object. So let's see an object example. Football has been played by Vansh. Football has been played by Vansh. Okay, so you have to just remember and you have to just feel the format of the format of active passive and the tense. You are going to be master in this. Okay, you are going to be master in this. So let's continue with past active voice. she had active voice. Okay, we are on format active voice as subject plus had plus v3 plus object. So object had been v3 and subject. Here let's see an example of passive voice. Mumbai had been, we have added been because it is the rule, had been visited by them. Okay students, them is a third form of they, her is the third form of she, him or his is the third form of he. Okay, him. Now let's quickly see future active passive. Active voice, subject plus will shall plus have plus v3 plus object. See this is, we all know that this is very easy. But in passive, object will shall have been v3 by and subject. Okay, so let's quickly see the example. So I have written an exam on the board, but I am thinking that you have to also give the example in the comment box. You have to give example in the comment box, so I know that the students are focusing or not. Okay, so let me know in the comment box one more example. Okay, one more example. Let's see the example. Books will have been. We have just added been. Will have is already in future tense. Okay, read by them. See how easy it. So you have to remember that we have to add being in the perfect and being in the continuous. Okay, so here we have done the definite, continuous and perfect. Okay, now see, let's quickly see about negative. Wait for a while, where I have put it. Let's quickly see. Wait for a while, students. Now let's quickly see negative. Now let's quickly see negative indefinite, negative continuous and negative perfect. Okay, so these three remaining topics are there, and there is one more topic, interrogative. What is interrogative? You have know that in a tense video that there are two types of interrogative: double interrogative and simple interrogative. In simple interrogative, we are just taking the helping verb and put it in the front and object at the back side of the helping verb. Okay, and interrogative, we are just adding the WH family. But in active passive, in active passive, it was very easy, because interrogative and double interrogative both are a same topic, both are in a same topic. You don't have to remember differently. The format of double interrogative and interrogative both are same. Okay, so let me know in the comment box that you want a video on that interrogative or not. I am in this video, I am going to make only about on a negative indefinite, negative continuous and negative perfect. I have covered important topics. The interrogative and double interrogative is not that much important, and from that also you want that video, so let me know in the comment box. I will definitely make the video on it. Okay, I will definitely make video on it. So let me in the comment box, let me know in the comment box that you want video or not. Okay, so let's continue with our negative indefinite. So students, we are on negative indefinite. So let's quickly see about present active voice. We know that subject plus do does plus not plus v1 plus object. So object will come over here, is not v3 and plus by plus subject. Let's see example. Football is not played by him. Football is not played by him. Okay, so in active voice of in past active voice will be subject plus did plus not plus v1 plus object. But in passive voice, object were not v3 by subject. So let's see an example. Newspaper, it was object, was not read by him. Okay, was not read by him. So let's see future. Future active voice is subject plus will shall plus not plus v1 plus object. So passive voice will be object plus will shall plus not plus b plus v3 plus by plus subject. Okay, so let's make a sentence. Cricket will be not be played by him. उससे क्रिकेट खेली जाएगी नहीं कल, ऐसा बोल सकते हैं ना हम. द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस सेंटेंस इज दैट वो कल क्रिकेट नहीं खेलेगा. ओके, सो द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस सेंटेंस इज दैट let's quickly see about negative continuous. So students, we are on negative continuous tense. So let's quickly see what is negative continuous tense. So as I have said, that is there is no any type of future in continuous tense. So we have to learn only two topics, present and past. Let's see present active voice. Subject plus is plus not plus v1 plus ing plus object. Now see its passive voice. Object plus is plus not plus being. Okay, the not will came in between the is and the being. v3 plus by plus subject. Okay, and what is it? Example, games are not being played by Vansh. Okay, so let's see past tense. Active voice and passive voice. In active voice, subject plus was were plus v1 plus ing plus object, and here I have added not. So subject plus was were plus not plus v1 plus ing plus object. So let's see its passive voice. Object plus was were plus not plus being plus v3 plus by plus subject. Okay, so let's make the sentence. Paper was not read by Vansh. Paper was not read by Vansh. So see how easy it is. You have to just learn the formats. You have to just learn the formats, and you will automatically making the sentences. So let's quickly see about the negative perfect tense. Okay students, this is the last tense. Okay, so let's continue. Let's start with it. Present negative perfect tense. Okay, present negative perfect tense, and I am advising you to stay attentive in the class, and you have to just learn all the formula, all the formats of indefinite, continuous, perfect, negative perfect, negative continuous, negative indefinite, negative interrogative. You have to just learn all the formats of present. You are going to make all past as well as and future. You have to just take out the helping verb and put the helping verb of the past and the future as per the tense. Okay, so now let's quickly see negative perfect tense. So in present tense, the format is subject plus has have plus not plus v3 plus object. So it will convert into passive voice. So object plus has have plus not plus being. Okay students, we add being being in active continuous tense and been in perfect tense. Okay, so be plus v3 plus by plus subject. Okay students, give me the examples of present negative perfect tense, past negative perfect tense, future negative perfect tense. Okay, comment box will be full of the examples. Okay, I hope that you are all become a master in active passive. So let me know in the comment box the examples. Okay, I'm giving the formats. You have to just put the subject, object, helping verb and verb. Okay, so past negative perfect tense in active voice subject plus head plus not plus v3 plus object, and in passive voice object plus head plus not plus been plus v3 by subject. Okay, and in future active voice will be, we know that subject which shall not have v3 object, and it will convert into object which shall not have been plus v3 plus by plus object. Okay, we have done all the formats and with their examples, but in the last negative perfect tense you have to give answer in the comment box. Okay, so I hope that you all will comment your answer and with examples in the comment box. If a person having doubt in any topics, or he want a video on interrogative and double interrogative, so please let me know in the comment box that you want the video on interrogative and double interrogative. I will definitely make the video on it. Okay, so here we have done the active passive voice. Thanks for watching. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद जय भारत.